Welcome to Grasshopper Labs. In this video, we're going to be picking our freight for our home delivery trucks. What we want to do is select our home delivery tab at the very top of the screen. Then we're going to filter by the day that we want to action on. A list of trucks that are expected to go out for delivery will populate, and now we want to click into the truck that we want to take action on and pick. Now we have our manifest details. I want to highlight that Take Action button at the top of the screen. Once I click into it, now we can see that the pick option, being the very first one, is now available. I'm going to click pick, and it's going to open up the camera on my device. Here it's showing me that I'm expected to pick 3 pieces for my truck tomorrow. If I want to see these locations in advance, I can simply select these 2 lines at the top right, and it'll show me the items and the locations that they're sitting in. Down below, Grasshopper is recommending specific items to pick because it's giving us these items in reverse stop order so that while we're picking, we're also staging. So here I'm going to walk over to rack A12, which is where this piece is currently located. I'm going to scan this piece. Now we can see once I've scanned it, it's showing that I have it scanned but not picked. In order for me to pick it, I have to walk it over to my outbound location. So I'll walk it over to my delivery lane, simply select scan location, and then I'm going to scan the warehouse location in which this freight is going to hang out until it's delivered. And now Grasshopper is recommending the second item, which is located in inbound 2. So I'd walk over to my inbound 2 location. I would identify this piece ending in 3902-2, scan my item, and then I'll walk it over to my delivery lane, select scan location, and scan it to my door. And now I have one last piece that I need to scan, and it's letting me know that it's currently in rack A1-1. I'm going to walk over and identify that piece, scan my piece. I'm going to walk it over to my outbound door. And now when the last piece is scanned, we're going to be prompted for an alert that is letting us know that our pick has been complete. And this is how you can pick your freight for your home delivery trucks on the Grasshopper mobile app.